Hi friends, this video shows how to fix voice control not working issue. First go to accounts or profiles. Select this accounts icon from top right corner. Then go to manage accounts. Then select one account. Then go to Google Assistant. So here we can see voice control. So right now it's enabled. If it's disabled like this, then voice control won't work. So you should enable this voice control. Just select voice control, then press OK button on the remote. See, this way we can enable voice control and fix voice control not working issue. So make sure that this voice control has been enabled, so that way we can fix that issue. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.